first question from Digital SAT, Test 3, Module 1. Number 1 reads, which choice completes the text most logical and precise word or phrase? And it's a sentence completions. We go to the passage. And in the passage, what you'll notice, it says that no factory can produce this signature look of these baskets. So the correct answer here is going to be handmade from, because of what it says there. To see the full-length video, including why all the wrong answers wrong, check us out on YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist, find Test 3, Module 1, Number 1, and you'll see the longer videos just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.